Hello, you're on the Food Additives channel, and today we're going to talk about the unusual properties of grapefruit. Some substances in grapefruit actively interact with certain medicines. Grapefruit also contains antioxidants that lower cholesterol and improve the ratio of HDL to LDL containing lipoproteins. Thus, one grapefruit a day helps to normalize blood cholesterol levels. This is especially important for people suffering from coronary heart disease and circulatory diseases, for whom high cholesterol is another risk factor. Researchers from the Hebrew University concluded in 2006 that grapefruit with red flesh contained much more cholesterol-lowering substances than the yellow grapefruit varieties. It should be noted that red grapefruits contain the antioxidant lycopene, which is very beneficial for people with cardiovascular problems. Grapefruit should not be consumed in conjunction with pills, so be sure to consult your doctor before consuming.